Hello guys, and welcome to a new week, and hope you had a fabulous weekend. This week I want to take you into the features of the amazing world-class Lagos Abuja High Speed train project. And this project has really sparked a great deal of excitement among Nigerians, both at home and in the diaspora. There are a lot of shocking intrigues involved in this $16.5 billion project that the Nigerian media is shying away from, but I will reveal all of it in this video. And that is why you should take your time to watch this video to the end. Don't forget, my name is Walker and I'm your humble host here on Walker Diary YouTube channel, where we explore adventure, travel and luxury. As an African YouTuber exploring the world and sharing my experiences, one way you can support me is to subscribe to the channel, engage with my videos either by commenting, liking and sharing my videos with your friends and family. By doing this, it will help me reach my mark of 10,000 subscribers before the end of January, because when that is done, I'll be sharing some exclusive goodies to you guys via the community section, and this is exclusive to only my subscribers alone. And for my returning subscribers, I want to thank you guys so much for traveling with me thus far. Now without further ado, let us get started already. Before we go into the features of the $16.5 billion Lagos Abuja train project, let me first give you a background into the story, how it started and some of the twists that are involved. The first phase of the Lagos Abuja train project began with the launch of the Lagos-Ibadan Railway, which was constructed by the China Civil Engineering Construction Corporation (CCECC), and was officially commissioned in June 2021. But this time is a bit different. When completed, the new Lagos-Abuja Rail project will see people traveling from Lagos beyond Ibadan to Abuja through Kwara, Kogi, Kano, Kaduna and other states along the Western Rail line. Only this time it will be on a modernized dual-gauge rail tracks in a world-class electric speed train capable of traveling at an unusual speed limit of up to 250 km per hour. Shortly after the completion of the first phase, the contractors began a survey to extend the project from Ibadan to Kano section of the rail line. But it appears that after years of negotiation, the federal government decided to drop CCECC, which funded and constructed the initial phase, for a new company which is now known as AEC-Geofocus. And this is according to a report in the media a few days ago. Now, according to the media reports, the contract model between the federal government and AEC-Geofocus is meant to be a design, build, finance, operate and maintain. That is more like a DBFOM. But on Monday, that is today, in another media report, an entirely new company, AEC Unity Network, claimed to be the original contractors to which the project was awarded. Now, AEC Unity Network distanced itself from the AEC-Geofocus. Why that would be a topic for another day, I want us to concentrate more on the issue in discourse. They will sort themselves out on that. Now, from what I understand, CCECC, which is a Chinese company that began the Lagos-Abuja project, indicated interest to fund the second phase of the project, which was initially valued at $5.3 billion. But the negotiation failed as both the CCECC and the federal government failed to come to terms. The point of contention was that the Chinese company CCECC had proposed building a single rail track instead of a double track that was proposed by the federal government. And here's the thing, with a single track, travel time between Lagos and Abuja will increase exponentially. Now let me explain to you properly so you understand the difference between a single track and a double track. Now, a single track would have made things a little bit more cumbersome, because trains traveling to alternate destinations along the Western Rail line would have to wait for each other to make a pass at different stations. And that would have defeated the original idea of sinking in billions of dollars into the new rail line that is suitable for modern speed trains. Don't forget that Nigeria already has an existing standard gauge that runs from Ibadan to Kano and other northern states. But The federal government got a better deal with a new company and decided to dump CCECC on the new phase of the project. Although many Nigerians are still aggrieved that President Tinubu's government awarded such huge contract to a company without going through proper bidding process. But my own grounds is that awarding such sensitive contract to a Nigerian company may be a very risky move, and I think you all know the reason why. That being said, let me share with you the features of the incoming Lagos-Abuja train that I'm excited about. Now, unlike the Lagos-Ibadan train, the new Lagos-Abuja train facility is a world-class electric bullet train with speed capacity of as much as 250 km per hour, which will run on a standard 2-track rail. I think I mentioned that earlier. The ambitious 500 km super railway project will also have primary stations in Lagos and Abuja, and it will come along with 11 intermediate stops along that line. Now, when launched, the $16 billion train facility is expected to reduce travel time between Lagos and Abuja to under 3 hours by rail and less than 5 hours by road, and that's significant. If we can run Lagos to Abuja for under 3 hours, it means you can actually work in Abuja and live in Lagos, depending on the nature of your job. So from Lagos, you can go to Abuja and back on the same day, and that's a significant leap from the norm. And then the project also comes with a highway, and the highway, according to the media reports, will consist of 8 lanes, 2 service lanes, and 13 tolling units. And captured within the scope of the project, it is said that it will also feature 10 smart cities, 1 million housing units, and an independent power plant. Obviously, if this project is properly implemented as at when due, that is to say on time, it is a project that I feel it is laudable. Now, with the completion of the documentation, the Lagos-Abuja train project is expected to commence by February 2025, which is next month. According to the Nigerian government, the Lagos-Abuja speed train project is top priority project, and it is expected to further enhance the transportation infrastructure in Nigeria and better the lives of Nigerians in general. Now, with this game-changing facility, the economic prosperity of Nigerians will undoubtedly flourish, and it will also improve the standard of living of Nigerians across the board. Now, let me know how you feel about the incoming Lagos-Abuja train service. Does it excite you? Is it something you would love or you willingly want to give a try when it launches? You can use the comment section to drop your view, and make sure to support me by subscribing to the channel if you have not already done so. You can also give this video a thumb up, comment and share it with your friends and family. And until I see you in the next one, enjoy the rest of your week, guys.